Alright guys, sorry. Just fixing something. Guys, okay, welcome back to Toystify. So this is set up for John Wick. I named this as it's time for John, or it's John's time. So this is just like how I picture him, where he's getting all his arsenal coming up. Yeah, I think this is good. What I'm trying to portray is that he's just sitting there. He wanted to do something. He wants to do his revenge, so he's pretty banged up, which is why I'm using the damaged head. It's also as an excuse. So it's just opening up his war chest, as I would assume. So we've got the coins, so he's getting ready to he's getting his coins ready and his weapons ready, and he's just looking at the time to know what time it is. Yeah, it's a pretty simple setup, just a couple of accessories. So the main part here would be how I present it with the lighting. So I want to make it a little bit dark, moody light, but not too dark, because I wanted the details to be shown in. So so I lit up the windows here using my Doom cube, which ran out of juice, but that's the idea, with blue color, and turn off all the lights and something like this. So yeah, so again, using this, so it's just gonna be something like that. I think that's it could work. But anyway, I'll show you how it looks, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.